Dughan na pod ni siya. Basin sakit na pod ang dughan.
Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines where the Filipino provide.
Naong sa sakit ang dughan, bi. Hello ka, pamilya. I'm back. Ako i-share. Pero unya na. Hi, I'm Aljon, your newest Bisaya content creator. And I want to call this channel Fruit Salad Daily. Because life is a mix. Sweet, sour, and sometimes bitter. Dili permi happy, pero dili sad permi sad. Sometimes taas kayo ang vibes, sometimes pud murag guba kay ta. But that's okay. Kay mao na ang kinabuhi. Halo-halo nga tinuod. Every day has a different flavor. Just like fruit salad. Usahay makatawa ta, usahay pod makahilak pod ta. Pero tanan ana, part sa journey. And this is where I'll share my life, my stories, and real moments. One bowl, one vlog at a time. And I want to call this first vlog the intro.